Hello there, my name is Squalo and I'm bringing you this emergency Bitcoin update. And yes, you've read the title right. So I am in Bitcoin right now. I've just opened my trade over on Bybit and I'm going to show you exactly what it is and why did I do it and how crazy is it and how risky is it and whether you should do it as well. And without any further ado, hit that like button, smash it up right now, show me your support, please, my dear community. And you know, the more likes I see, the more inclined I am to make these videos each single day and update you on each single move that I make as a trader. But if you don't want to like the video, that's absolutely fine. Please still enjoy this awesome content. Always happy to provide. And yeah, so hit that notification bell when you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you're notified when I make a new upload, because you must watch these ASAP and from the beginning and until the end when they come out. All right, without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so currently we are seeing this price action of going down steadily from all the way from $48,000 down to 41 something, which is real painful, real nasty. I know, bear with me. But in this video, I want to show you my trade and as well as, you know, what is the current target. Right now, we are actually in a smaller time frame. Right here, we are forming a really interesting, you know, like a pattern going downwards. This is kind of an interesting channel which had a lot of support. This resistance, well, the current resistance line, it had a lot of support in this area, and then it turned into resistance right here, and now we're seeing a lot of support in this one just going down, yeah, just like that. So for this reason, we could see an interesting bounce back above it just to retest potentially this resistance line. So this is my logic currently, but the worst case scenario, and so I've opened a trade, you know, like a partially, so to speak, in case if we're gonna be, you know, jumping up a little bit for a very short-term perspective kind of a thing, or if we're gonna see the worst case scenario would be a retest of $40,000 right here, where I would actually scale my trade. So it is a slightly different approach that I'm taking here that I've taken previously. So very interesting, and bear with me, so I'm trying to explain it as fast as I can and as much detail as possible. So currently we have this yellow line, which is our most important support currently in a short-term perspective, which has been super strong previously. And right here, so we have basically about $1,200 to go down to it. So this is, you know, the room that I am ready to suffer for my current long trade over on Bybit, which is right here. As you can see, it's not a big trade, but nonetheless, it's like $100,000 trade. Usually I go in with like $200,000 to 50. So, and I'm ready to suffer, so to speak, all the way down to $40,000, and then put in another $100,000 long trade if we're gonna see a nice formation here for a bounce off of both, and with a target of, let's say, about $44,000. So this is really the idea. And if you want to be trading actively yourself, then with my exclusive link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, you'll get up to $4,100 in free bonuses, as well as a 30% discount on commissions and fees. And there is also a video instruction how to actually claim that bonus, and also a link to a full Bybit tutorial of how to trade on Bybit, how to use all of it properly, etc. And yeah, so this is a very interesting situation, especially if you're going to be looking at, of course, a lot of people are going to scream at me, Thomas, you know, you're going to get liquidated, blah, blah, whatever. I mean, that's might be the case. Again, I'm not saying that I'm always right, and even if I'm half of the time right, I'm still gonna make a lot of money, which is fine with me. So some losses come along the way, so I'm just showing you exactly what I'm doing, and this is not financial advice, remember that. But if we're gonna take a look at bigger players right here, then we're gonna see that Luna is actually going through with their promise to accumulate up to $10 billion worth of Bitcoin, and they've recently, actually yesterday, purchased another 2,600 Bitcoin. And also, if we're going to take a look at the third, and well, technically the biggest Bitcoin wallet, MicroStrategy right here, Michael Saylor, then he actually sold some Bitcoin and then he bought it back right immediately at pretty much the same price and is buying a little bit here again. So nobody's really selling. So I'm not really, as I mentioned in the previous video, I'm thinking even if we're gonna go a bit lower, then it's not gonna be that low as many are expecting. But for that reason, I've put in this trade. And currently, by the way, Easter is coming, guys and girls, so I've prepared a huge Easter egg for you. And this is something you really want to hear if you want to become a part of university grade trading education. I'm offering up to 80% discount on my trading education for this Easter. And the Easter hunt for these eggs is on. So basically, if you want to become one of my full-time students at an 80% discount, then you have to start hunting for the eggs right now. So basically what you have to do is, I've hidden promo codes all over my social media, on Instagram, on Twitter. Just make sure that you follow all the correct accounts, the ones that have verified check marks. If like for example on Twitter, I do have a verified check mark. So, and I have hidden promo codes all over my social media. I'm not gonna tell you where, but you can find them actually relatively easily, and then redeem them at thomaskrallo.com for any program that you would like. The first 10 people are gonna get 80% discount to find the first 10 promo codes. The next 10 people are gonna get a 70% discount. Then the next 10 people are gonna get a 60% discount. So 30 people in total. And then the remainder of 500 people in total will get a 50% discount on any of my learning programs. So, and for that, if you just want the 50% discount, then you can go directly to offer.thomaskrallo.com. Also a link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and become one of my students at my certified and accredited trading learning programs, 5 months long trading learning programs at an incredible Easter 50% discount. And if you want an 80% discount, I would just pause the video right now and start hunting for those eggs, because I'm pretty sure that these 30 seats are gonna sell out in the next like 2-3 hours. So maybe, I don't know, 12 hours, whatever, but they're gonna sell out super fast. So go ahead and find those promo codes right now. And if you've been looking to become one of my students, then this is the time to use this opportunity with at least a 50% discount, which is also limited to 500 seats, and those usually sell out really fast as well. So don't miss this opportunity. And as always, peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make some noise down in the comments, and also a link to episode 2 of Krallo Trading Show. If you haven't seen it yesterday, then there is going to be a link somewhere up there. And peace and love, Thomas Krallo. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.